Hello. In the previous video, I explained how to prepare the test case for functional testing of API. In this video, I will explain how to execute the test case for API using GUI. To start the execution, click on the Execute Test Case button. From the pop-up, click on Via GUI button. Under Via GUI button, click on API. Under API, you will find three types of testing: functional, automation, and load. Click on the functional button. This will open the RIDE. Wait till the RIDE opens. Click on the test case by checking the checkbox button. This will open the Edit tab. By default, the value of the parameters will be set to iterations as 1, virtual users as 1, and ramp-up period as 1. The values must be set to default as we are performing a functional testing. Now go to the Run tab. Edit the arguments by giving the same name as the test case name, that is AF_LinkedIn_TC_001. Now click on the Start button to start the execution. Wait till the execution is completed. Now the test case has been executed successfully. Click on the Report button to view the report of the test case. Click on the Log button to switch the log of the test case. And if you want to go back to the report, again click on the report to go back to the report of the test case. Once the test case is executed, close the report as well as the RIDE window. Now go to the folder location where you have saved the test case. So for that, open the Windows Explorer. Under Taunt folder, you will find the API testing. Click and open. Under API testing, click and open the GUI. Under GUI demo taunt. Under this demo_taunt folder, you will find a folder name with the same name as the test case name. Click and open. Under this, you will find the Newman_reports folder. In this folder, you will find an HTML file. Click and open. In this HTML, you will find the number of iterations, the number of requests that has been sent to the server, and all the APIs that were being recorded in the first step. So the number of iterations is 1, the number of requests are 11, and if you scroll down, you will be able to see all the APIs that have been recorded. Once it is done, close the Postman report. This is how you have to execute the test case for API. In the next video, I will show you how to analyze the results of the test case which is executed in this step.